Okay, so I'm gonna do two stocks, two dividend stocks. I have way more, so if you would like to know more about these stocks and just like and comment, leave me a comment, and I'll make more videos. I have a lot of dividend stocks. Some are monthly, and I have a lot that are every quarterly. Um, so I'm gonna start with ticker symbol SJT. This one is $4.24. Well, pre-market is a little higher. So this company is Royalty Trust. It's an express trust. The principal asset of the trust is royalty. Its royalty is carved from working royalty and other oil and natural gas interests owned by Southland Royalty Company, the predecessor of to Burlington Resources Oil and Gas Company, and properties located in the San Juan Basin of northwestern New Mexico. Subject interest: the trustee of trust is Compass Bank. The function of the trustee is to collect the net proceeds attributable to the royalty, to pay all expenses and charges of the trust, and distribute the remaining ability income to the unit holders. So this one gives you a dividend of a month of 5 cents. So if we come here, it will tell you trust declared cash distribution of 0.05 per unit payable April 4. So as of this date, if you were a shareholder, recorded of 3/31/21, you will get 5 cents for every share. That is not bad. Now you can look. Let me see, where's the historical data. I think this is where, no, dividends. There you go. So we can come here and look at the dividends. Apply. And is this every month? Yes. So April, May 2020, June. So as you see here, it skipped some. October, November, December, January, February, March. So you'll want to go. Oh, this is a time period. Let me see. Year to date. Let's go year to date. Well, let me see how you apply it here. Okay. Also, if you have Webull, you can look at the history. So I don't think I'm doing it right here because on Webull, oh, here it goes, 1980 to start date. Well, here it's different. Let me see. Well, if you go to Webull, on Webull or whatever brokerage you have, it will tell you. Now I've been looking on Webull, and they've been giving out dividends since 2005. Well, way more. Since 2013, they've been giving out dividends. So if I keep going and going, it will show more. So it does have a good history. Okay, so now let's go to, let me show y'all the other one that's under $10. The ticker symbol is ORC. Now these I do own. I started purchasing some today due to how the market has been. It's always good to have dividend payouts. This is just one of the few that are under $10. This one, it is a specialty finance company that invests in residential mortgage-backed securities. The company's business objective is to provide attractive risk-adjusted total returns to its investors over the long term through a combination of capital appreciation and the payment of regular monthly distributions. Its portfolio consists of two categories of agency, pass-through agency RMBS and a structured agency RMBS. It invests in pass-through securities, which are securities secured by residential real property in which payments of both interest and principal on the securities are generally made monthly. The mortgage loans underlying pass-through certificates are classified into three categories, including fixed rate mortgages, adjustable rate mortgages (ARMS), and hybrid ARMS. It invests in a structured agency RMBS, which include collateralized mortgage obligations, interest-only securities, inverse interest-only securities, and principal-only securities. So here you can see the ex-dividend date. If you want to look it up on Yahoo, then that's fine. You can go to the financials. The holders. I always go to the holders. I didn't go to the previous one. I didn't show y'all, but both of them are owned by Wells Fargo. This one has Vanguard and Vesco. So that's always a good sign if, once you look in here and see who's buying it. This one, they have a dividend per share of 6 cents every month. And also when I looked on their history, I went back and I looked at their history, and it's pretty good. These are only two. If you would like, I have a whole list. If you like more videos on this, then I will do some more. Also, I have a Coinbase link in the description. If you download it, then once you download it, they have a thing going on. They give you $5 worth of Bitcoin. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Just like the video. Thank you.